Dear friends, in class 11 we are studying 5th chapter complex numbers and quadratic equation. And in this chapter we are studying the next topic, that is quadratic equation. How to solve the quadratic equation we have already studied. In exercise 5.3 we have first question, x square plus 3 equals to 0. Now if you transpose 3 to RHS you will get x square is equal to minus 3. Now taking square root of both sides, taking square root of both sides, square root of both sides, we will get x is equal to plus or minus root of minus 3. Now we know that root of minus 1 is equal to I, so this is equal to plus or minus root 3 I. So x is equal to plus root 3 I, or x is equal to minus root 3 I. Next problem is 2x square plus x plus 1 equals to 0. Now here if you compare this with the general quadratic equation, we will get general form of quadratic equation, that is ax square comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We have a equals to 2, b equals to 1 and c equals to 1. Now to find the root, we have the equation x is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 12c. So if you put the values, you will get the two values of x, that is equal to minus 1. Please note this negative side, b is 1, plus or minus root of b square is 1 square minus 4 times a is 2 and c is 1 upon 2 times a is 2. So if you try to solve this, you will get minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus 8 upon 4. So this is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root of negative 7 upon 4. But the root of minus 1 is equal to I. So this is equal to minus 1 plus or minus root 7 I upon 4. Denominator can be written separately and the two values of x can be written separately. So x is equal to minus 1 plus root 7I upon 4, or x equal to minus 1 minus root 7I upon 4. Dear friends, we have third question, x square plus 3x plus 9 equals to 0. Now compare this with the general form of quadratic equation. Comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we have a equals to 1, b equals to 3 and c equals to 9. Now we have the roots. Discriminant delta is equal to discriminant, I am solving discriminant here, discriminant delta equals to b square minus 4ac. Now if you put the values, you will get b square is 3 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 9. So this is equal to 9 minus 36. So 9 minus 36 is negative 27. Now we have the roots. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon 5c. We have already found the value of this. So we will get x is equal to minus b is minus 3 plus or minus root of minus 27 upon 2 times a is 1. So you will get this is equal to minus 3 plus or minus root 27I upon 2. Now this root of 27 can be factorized as 3 into 3 into 3, that is it is a 3 cube. Out of that 2 will come out, 2 3's will come out as 1 3, so you will get this as minus 3 plus or minus 3 root 3. Please try to understand, it is not cube root. 3 root 3 I upon 2. So these are the two values of the x. Dear friends, next question is minus x square plus x plus 2 equals to 0. So So in order to solve, we compare this equation with general form of quadratic equation, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We have a is equal to -1, b is equal to 1, c is equal to 2. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to 1 square minus 4 times a is -1, c is 2. So this is equal to 1 plus 8. We are getting positive 8. It means I have made a mistake somewhere. So here, please note, in the question it was -2. So this minus x square plus x minus 2 means c is -2, and hence I will get b square minus 4ac is -4 into -1 into -2. So this is equal to 1 minus 8, that is equal to -7. Please note, we are solving all the quadratic equations where b square minus 4ac is less than 0. It is negative. That is what we are trying to find the roots of quadratic equations which have not real roots, which have complex roots. So since I was getting a real root, I checked the question was something different, so you can also correct it. Now let us try to find the roots. So x is equal to, we have minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. This value we have already found. Minus b is this, so we will get -1 plus or minus root of -7 upon 2 times a is again -1. So this is equal to -1 plus or minus root 7 I upon -2. So x is equal to -1 plus root 7 I upon -2, or -1 minus root 7 I upon -2. Please note, if you cancel the negative sign, this signs must be cancelled. So this can be written in other form as well by cancelling the negative signs. Next question is x square plus 3x plus 5 equals to 0. Compare this equation with the standard form of quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, and if you compare, you will get the equivalence. Comparing the given equation, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0, we will get a equals to 1, b equals to 3, and c equals to 5. Now b square minus 4ac is equal to, this discriminant is equal to 3 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 5. So you will get 9 minus 20, that is equal to -11. We have got -11 means the value of discriminant is less than 0, and hence we will have complex root, that is not real roots. So let us find the roots. X equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. Here b square minus 4ac is equal to -11, so you will get minus b is -3 plus or minus root of -11 upon 2 times a is 1. So this is equal to -3 plus or minus root 11. Root 1 is I. So you will get the answer -3 plus or minus root 11 I upon 2. Dear friends, we have the sixth question. X square minus x plus 2 equals to 0. Now compare this with the standard form of quadratic equation, comparing with ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We have a equals to 1, b equals to -1, c equals to 2. So you will get b square minus 4ac equals to, b square is -1 square minus 4 times a is 1 and c is 2. So this is equal to 1. Please note, square of -1 is 1 minus 8, that is equal to -7. So we have got the value of discriminant less than 0. It means it will have complex root, or you can say non-real roots. Let us find the roots. X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac upon twice a. So if you put the values, you will get minus b is minus of minus 1 plus or minus root of negative 7 upon 2 times a is 1. So this is equal to 1 plus or minus root of 7I upon 2. So this is the answer.